Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the brand new Blink video doorbell system. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So it runs on two AA lithium batteries, or you can hardwire it in. If you're used to the Blink cameras, they are the same way, two AA batteries. Lithium is required. Okay, let's talk about all the things we get. They give you just a little pamphlet. Looks like a little instruction manual. You get this tool, it's attached to the sheet of paper. Basically what this tool is going to be, I'll show you in a second, it allows you to get the back and your camera detached from each other. There's a locking mechanism here. They give you two lithium Energizer batteries. And that's really about it. Some mounting hardware that you can use to mount it. And then this is the back of the camera. Now these metal pieces here would only be used if you are connecting it to your existing doorbell. You can take your existing doorbell off and then this would be your power connection for that. You've got some holes here that you would be using to drill in using their mounting hardware if you're wanting to mount it on the wall. I'm going to put 3M tape on mine. I know that's not recommended, but I'm going to try it with some 3M tape first, make sure I like it before I start doing some drilling into my wall. If you look at the back of the camera, your two AA batteries go here, and then basically this just kind of sits in. Not sure if you're going to be able to see it or not. There's some teeth on here that you're going to stick, push down, and then slide it forward, and that's what locks the doorbell and the mounting bracket into place. What this tool does for you is while it's on the wall, you've got a hole down here that you can slide this tool under, pry it open, pry the back, and it allows the whole thing to slide back off and pop off. It's not the easiest thing to remove, but that's what the tool's for. Don't worry, if you lose the tool, it looks like you can use a small flathead screwdriver or Swiss Army knife, something like that, and be able to do the same thing. Not a lot to it, but that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.